Son of sun. I am powerful because my environment is different. Watch this message. This is the iron pot that usually provide iron to the blood when you cook from it. Now they provide you with Teflon and aluminum that give you Alzheimer's and dementia to the brain. Now, I have formulated a new iron that is called plant rinse. It's a solution. Yo, my people, we are so clean right now. We move away from the soil, the mud. The pigs get iron from the mud. And this is from the trees that plant in the mud, which we call soil. I'm telling you, it's no liquid. No water is added. It's pure ring from the bark of medicinal plant. Without iron, you cannot strive. You cannot have an immune system. Your hormone cannot balance. Your pancreas cannot produce insulin. It causes every disease in the body, the lack of iron in the blood. Remineralize and get iron today. It's on all my stores and platform. Go and look for it. Text me in Jamaica. I'll tell you the price. Peace and light. I'm out. Iron pot. They get rid of it, don't? 3 foot pots. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good day, man. Iron. I wanna be iron.